Hi, I'm Sharm Brown from the Marine Jones service team, and today I want to do some tips and tricks on mooring lines. We've all got them, so I come down this boat here, I had a quick look, it's showing the signs of replacement. Bit of chafing, the whipping's coming undone, so I think we should go over the bench and have a close look at some ropes and see what we're looking at. We'll start with a new rope. First of all, you look at your splice and your whipping, it's in good condition. The shock absorber aspect is working perfectly and no rubber exposed, and the rope feels pliable and easy to work with. So the next one we're going to look at is showing a few signs, and let's have a look. First of all, the splice and the whipping, they're in good condition, but the shock absorber aspect is showing signs of failing. The rubber's coming out, so that means this one's a definite replacement. So the next rope we're looking at is well and truly sun damaged. It's interesting to see. So the shock absorber aspect has completely stretched out and gone hard as well. The splice is starting to come unravelled at the whipping. Okay, the next rope we're looking at is well and truly on its way. It's starting to fail at the whipping at the splice, and as well has chafed through on this edge here. One of the things that would have been very handy with this rope is one of these rope covers that can be fitted easily over your rope and can prevent that chafing. So for those old salts like their silver rope, it's really easy to spot. It gets a real look about it. If you just kind of give it a twist and separate like this, you'll notice straight away that the strands start to snap as you do that. This one's up for replacement. So it's probably time to have a little talk about UV ratings and different types of ropes. How long should a piece of rope last? Well, that's a bit of a question, that one. UV rating, salt, sun exposure. I suggest every time you go boating, have a quick look at your mooring lines, make sure they're in good condition. As well, good tip for the Gold Coast. We've got a lot of fishermen here on the Gold Coast. They like to snag up on your mooring lines. They break it off and they leave the hook behind, and then when you go retrieve your mooring line, you end up getting snagged yourself. So safe boating, and I'll see you next time.